She said hurry up.
Wait,
She said go in. Hush. Hush. Someone calling my name. Hush. Hush. Someone calling my name. Hush. Hush. Someone calling my name. Hurry. Stop making me that. Hurry up! Wash the anyway. Oh. No, you making me mad. I can do it perfect.
I can't help it.
Hurry up and wash the dishes. The dishes! What? Fuck that shit, man.
What the hell?
She's not replying, baby.
Scream out to them, baby. Tell them in a girl voice. Jesse! Wash the dishes! Say it in that one voice.
What voice?
Like your neighbor.
I can't talk like him. How does he talk?
I don't know, like deep. Like a fat guy. Like a white fat guy.
Hector? Like that?
Sure.
No.
Do it.
What's your problem?
It's funny.
You Nike all of a sudden?
What?
Are you Nike all of a sudden?
Nike? I don't even understand what that
Just
means.
do it.
Oh. What?
You like, just do it. I was like, that joke is so killed right now. It's so funny because I didn't understand the joke.
Gee, baby, thanks. That makes me feel better.
I'm sorry. We're recording all of a sudden.
Say,
hurry up.
yeah, say it like that.
Nelsie? I'm gonna say in the hillbilly Texan.
Okay.
Just saying Texan?
Yeah. Say Californian.
California. I don't even know how to say
What the
no.
fuck? That's Texan.
What do you want to say then?
Californian.
How do you talk in Californian?
You don't have an accent.
Like I'm talking right now?
Kind of, but
Shit,
like white. Like me.
You're not from California, you're from Texas.
Fuck that shit.
The Lone Star.
Fuck that.
Home of the chunk of the deuce.
That's you.
Home of the niggas from the South Dirt, Texas. Home of the country folk. Home of the rodeo, the cowboy, the Dallas Cowboy. Home of something else. Shit, man, I'm not gonna. Could be distracted. I love you, babe.
Yeah.
Let's finish watching the video. She's not washing the dishes.